Hello again everyone. In this video tutorial we are going to solve this given triangle ABC. And as you can see that we have been given two angles and one side of this triangle, so we can use the law of sines to solve this triangle. When we say solve the triangle means we're going to find out all these missing sides and missing angles. And here are the law of sines that we will be using during our calculation. Now, I want to make sure that you get used to these law of sines. Now let's go ahead and let's look at this given triangle ABC. As you can see over here, this is vertex B, so this angle is gonna be beta. And right now this angle with the vertex A is going to be alpha, and this angle with the vertex C is going to be angle gamma. So now let's look at the side that opposite to this vertex B is going to be lowercase b. This side is going to be opposite to vertex A, so it's going to be a lowercase a, and this is going to be lowercase c side. So right now what we need to do is we need to figure out side C, side A, and angle beta. These are three things we need to figure out to solve this triangle. Thus the given values are alpha, angle alpha equals to 110 degrees, angle gamma is 40 degrees, and side B is 10. And we need to calculate angle beta, side A, and side C. So in our very first step, we need to find the measure of the last missing angle beta, as angle alpha and angle gamma have been given. And we know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is always 180 degrees. So we know that alpha plus beta plus gamma, these three angles add up to 180 degrees. And we know that alpha equals to 110 degrees, and we don't know beta, just leave it like this thing, and gamma is 40 degrees, turns out to be 180. Let's add these 110 and 40, that makes beta plus 150. 110 plus 40 makes 150 equals to 180. I want you to move this 150 on the other side, so beta equals to 180 minus 150. That means beta turns out to be 30 degrees. So that is our missing side beta. And in our next step, step number 2, we will calculate the missing side A, and we will use this law of sine. Sine alpha over A equal to sine beta over B. Let's go ahead and apply the values. We know alpha is 110 degrees divided by, we are going to calculate A, just leave A as it is, equal to sine of beta. Beta, we know that we just figured out it is 30 degrees divided by B is 10 units. We know that thing. So let's go ahead and figure out these values. So sine of 110 degrees is right up here, which is approximately equal to 0.9397 divided by, we don't know A, just leave it right there, and equals to sine of 30 is 0.5 divided by 10. Now we want to solve for an A, isn't it? So what we're going to do is we want to cross multiply this way. So that simply is going to become A. That's what I'm going to put down. So I'm going to put down 0.9397 times 10 equals to a times 0.5. I want you to divide both sides by 0.5 and 0.5. All right, so this 0.5 and 0.5 cancels out, so we ended up a equals to, I want you to multiply 10 times this quantity and divide it by 0.5, and we are going to get approximately equal to 18.8 units. This is the side A. And finally, in step 3, we are going to calculate the missing side C, and we will be using this law of sine. Sine of beta over B equal to sine gamma over C. So let's go ahead and put it down the values. So this is going to become sine of beta is 30 degrees divided by side B is 10 equal to sine of gamma is 40 degrees, and we need to figure out side C. So as you can see that sine of 30 by using a scientific calculator is 0.5 divided by 10 equal to sine of 40 degrees is approximately equal to 0.643 divided by C is unknown. Now in order to solve for C, we're gonna cross multiply. So that is gonna give you 0.5 times C equal to 0.643 times 10. I want you to divide both sides by 0.5 to isolate C. 0.5. So this 0.5 and 0.5, they are gone. So C approximately turns out to be, if you multiply and divide, that is going to be 12.86 units. This is our another missing side. Thus we have figured out our unknown values. Angle beta turns out to be 30 degrees. As you can see, side A is approximately equal to 18.8 units, and side C is 12.86. All these three sides have been calculated, sides and the angle have been calculated. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.